Hello and welcome to my phonetics channel. Today I am going to talk about the next short vowel, which is a. 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 I have talked about the short vowels. The previous one was a and a, and now a. The sound symbol for a, if you don't know the weak schwa, this is the weak schwa. I reversed E. It is E but looking to the other side. Beside it, a letter of E. A letter E. So this is a sound symbol for a. How do you write a sound symbol? We write E. We type E letter. And beside it, it's the same as E, but we will reverse it. We will reverse it. Someone came and attacked E and it went to the other side. It's faced to the other side. So the sound symbol for a. A. Is it short or long? A. Short. Okay. What is the highest point of the tongue? The highest point of the tongue is the highest point you see in my mouth when I produce the sound. A. 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 The highest point of the tongue is the middle. You see, the tip of the tongue is touching the bottom of the teeth ridge, and the middle of the ring is raising up. So this is the highest point you see when I produce the sound. A. So it is front. When I tell you the middle of the tongue, so the middle of the tongue is called the front. It's called front. Next, the degree of closure of the mouth. What is the degree of closure of the mouth? When I produce a sound, do you see my mouth open? Like this. When the mouth is open, it will be like this. Like you completely open your mouth. You can't open it any further. That is the final degree that I can open my mouth. I can't open it any further, like this. It's completely open now. It can't be opened any further. Can I open it any further? If I can, I will cut my mouth. That's completely open now. It's already open. Okay, when it is closed, it's closed like this. Mouth closed. When it is half closed, when we say it a, like this, a, half closed, a. When it is half, between half open and half closed, like the sound a. Okay, what about this a, half open? So this one, that's the sound of a, half closed. The next one, a, it open a little bit. The sound of a, between half open and half closed. And the next is a. It's like this. It's like this. Has a sound of a. Half open. Okay, what's open? Like this. That is the mouth open, really. This one is open, as an So it is half closed, between half open and half closed, half open, open. So the degree of closure of the mouth is half open, half open. Finally, the shape of the lips when we produce a sound. Ah, ah. It is neutral. Ah, ah, ah. Neutral. Neutral means it gets far away from them. It gets this side gets away from the other side. Ah, ah. But when it's like this, spread, spread, spread. Neutral, like this. Ah. So the shape of the lips is neutral. Is neutral. That we have finished talking about the properties of the sound. Next we will see some examples and how we can use the sound symbol in the word. I told you that before I start, if you see a letter, a consonant letter, which type of sound it will produce? Which type of sound will it produce? A consonant letter produces a consonant sound. A consonant letter. Can the cat produce a dog sound? Can the cat produce a dog sound? Of course not. If it is like this, so the cat has been transformed into a cow. Or the cat has been transformed into a dog. If it can produce a sound of the dog. So, the cat can't produce a sound of dog. Can the cat make the sound of dog? Can the cow make the sound of the elephant? No, of course not. Okay, can the B sound, the consonant sound, produce a vowel sound? No. When I write like this, first it was B.